complex, but not really at the same time because you don't have any walls that are right next to each other, so you won't hear your neighbors. But this one is a little bit different style than the rest of them because it has a different builder, so it's a little bit cheaper than the rest of them, but it has a beautiful layout inside. So I will show you inside. Let's go take a look. One of the first things that I want to point out is that this has new modern technology. This is the Ring doorbell. It's a camera doorbell so you can see on your phone who's at your door before you even go in there. But I'll show you the rest. So here we are inside of the townhouse. As you can see when you walk in, it is very, very modern and beautiful. The natural light in this house is great, so it makes everything look very bright. And I love the way that they decorated. The owner actually lives in this home right now while she's selling it. So her style throughout the whole entire house makes it look very cozy and almost staged, like no one lives here, but her style is amazing. This living room is the formal living room, and it's very cozy, but like I said, she decorated it very well. It makes it look more open, so this can be kind of an inspiration on how you could decorate it. The fireplace is built into the wall, and it has the little tiny stone tiles around it that's very modern and gives it a very like newly renovated look. But the whole entire home, I'm noticing, is very new. Every feature, like these banisters, the railings, the carpet is new as well. The wall paint doesn't need to have anything changed on that. The flooring is nice and new as well, and it's very sturdy, so you wouldn't have to worry about updating anything as soon as you move into this house. But when you walk in through the door, you have a guest bathroom down here. It's a half bath. It has a sink and a toilet, and then the stairway to the second floor is on your left when you walk in. Like I showed you, the living room, you have your dining room area right here as well with this beautiful light fixture. And this is all hardwood floor, so you have no carpet down here to worry about vacuuming. You can just sweep it up really easily. The kitchen is very new and updated as well. It has stainless steel appliances, a gas stove, and then the lovely wooden cabinets. I'm not sure what wood this is, but it's very lovely, modern. It makes the kitchen look very homey and cozy, and you have the backsplash around the kitchen as well. It reminds me of kind of like a farm style. And then I'll show you back this way. You have your outside little patio area. It's small, but it's functional. You have a place for furniture and a grill, and I will unlock. Perfect. And what I really like about this house is that the master bedroom and bathroom is on the first floor. Okay, so my favorite thing about this specific townhouse is that the master bedroom is located on the first floor. The others have a layout that have 2 bedrooms on the first floor. The second floor has a kitchen and living room area, and the third floor is the master bedroom. So this one, you don't have to travel up a ton of stairs to get to the master bedroom. It's located on the very first floor. Also, about the patio again, there's not a lot of yard work that goes into this house because there's not a lot of yard to maintain. And if you need any maintenance work done in this area, these townhouses have the maintenance provided for them. So this is a very, very good location, I think, in my opinion, to live in. But I'll show you the master bedroom because this one is absolutely gorgeous. And like I said before in the living room, the lady that lives here styles very well, so you can have a very good idea of what your stuff will look like in this house, how you could style it. This bedroom in particular has brand new carpet. The walls are painted. As you can see, it fits a king-size bed, so it has a lot of room for your bed and then dressers. This one includes 2 closets, one on each side. So one closet and then another closet, and it has a master bathroom connected to it. A walk-in shower with new tile, and then you have the quartz countertops, the lovely, I believe it's like cherry wood, I'm not entirely sure, either cherry or walnut cabinets, and a little bathroom that has the door that you can close to have privacy, which is always a good thing. So right next to the master bedroom, down the hallway is this laundry room. This has ample storage space, it has hookups for your washer and dryer, and it's connected to the 2-car garage that is in the back of the house. So you'll notice that the garage, when you see out front, it's not in the front because these are more compact townhouses. It's located in the back to save space, and there's a driveway that you can get back into the garage that way. So I will show you upstairs, which another one of the highlights. Upstairs has 2 bedrooms, a bonus room, and a large living room space. The banisters in this house look brand new. They don't need to be updated at all. And when you first arrive to the 2nd floor, there's a bedroom on your right. This one has lots of natural light coming through these big windows. Decorated so cute. It has its own closet, a little walk-in closet, its own sink, and then you walk into the other side of the bathroom, which has a door. And this side of the bathroom has a shower with a bathtub, another vanity. The toilet's located on this side as well, and it leads back out into this living room space, but there is another bedroom right here connected to it. And this one also has a large closet. But the living room space out here. So the 2nd floor is very open, and I was actually surprised when I walked up the stairs at how open it was, because you can see this has a lot of natural light in this area, and it's really helpful to make the rest of this area of the house look really bright. So you have a little community area that they made into kind of a second living room. I love the way she decorated again, and this is a really good functional use of this space. You can come out here and hang out, you could make it into a play area, you could put a pool table here if you wanted, but there's also the bonus room back here, which I can show you, and you can convert it into a 4th bedroom if you like. It has these double doors, but here's the bonus room area that they converted into kind of like the casual living room area, and it has vaulted ceilings and a nice window in the back area to make it look really open and cozy. So yes, that is the entire house. This is a townhouse, and I just absolutely love it. I think it feels like a single family house, not even really a townhouse. It is very close to other houses, so it's not on a lot of land. But if you're a first-time buyer, if you're an investor who wants to rent this house out, this would be perfect for you. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.